And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. West Indies middle order batsman Marlon Samuels has once again expressed his disapproval of the current West Indies Cricket Board selection policy. This after being left out of the incoming test squad for the test match against Pakistan. That's the first in the three-match series. It starts at Sabina Park on Friday.
The 36-year-old Samuels has never been one to mince words, and when asked about his thoughts on being left out of the West Indies test squad to face Pakistan, his response was, well, iconic.
First thing you say, I was left out of the test squad. Nobody can left out the icon. Icon on a break. I said that last year I'm going to take a break from the test cricket because I really don't like what's going on, but nevertheless, I'm on a break and I'm enjoying my break, spending some quality time with the family.
Samuels has in the past called for a compromise from the WICB, whose selection policy requires that a player must play in the regional competitions to be considered for selection to the team. He once again reiterated that call.
The system still needs to be changed, but apparently they're talking right now, and it's just that you can't ask a guy to play 10 first-class game. When somebody offer him some good money, you have to compromise. Let him go and take off, and then you tell him, listen, you need to come back on the 17th. You know what I mean? You got to compromise. In this day and age with so many cricket players, you have to compromise. If you're not compromising, there's so much leagues around there. A lot of the guys is going to leave.
Samuels, who was a member of the Leeward Islands Hurricanes squad for the regional Super 50 competition earlier this year, played only 2 matches before leaving to play in the Pakistan Super League. But he has no regrets about that decision.
I'm 36, I'm not 26 anymore. So you have to be more flexible and compromise. So I think I made the right choice. Because instead of staying and making 6,000 US, I think I make about 200 or more. So I made the right choice. And my mother told me, follow your heart. And that's what I did, follow my heart straight to Dubai.
And the focus right now for Samuels?
So right now I'm still in the T20 team. That's all I qualify to play for the year. So that's what I'll be looking forward to play for the rest of the year.
Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.
Meanwhile, Samuels on Tuesday donated $1.5 million to the Jamaica Society for the Blind through the Marlon Samuels Foundation at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. Having suffered an eye injury in the Australian Big Bash T20 League in 2013, which affected sight in one of his eyes, Samuels decided to give back to the visually impaired community. He says he has always felt the need to help the less fortunate.
Sometimes it doesn't matter. I've some stories where I stop on the road to see if I could give a guy some money. The guy wasn't interested in the money. First thing he said that he can't believe that the cricketer Marlon Samuels is here talking to him. I made his day. So that's where I get it in my head, that not everybody need money. Some people just need some inspiration and some words.
It's never easy.
Olivia Babs-Green supported the move by Samuels.
Blind individuals and 80,000 visually impaired individuals. So when a contribution of this magnitude is made, it helps us significantly in terms of rehabilitative services.
And empowerment of our youth. And of course, she also has a...
He had an experience and he was able to live that moment in darkness because of his accident. And what it did was to bring home to him in a very stark way that blindness is a disability that one cannot ignore. And those persons who are visually impaired need whatever support and assistance they can get.
Samuels also donated $350,000 to 23-year-old visually impaired student Garfield Mitchell, who attends Church Teachers College. Among those in attendance at the handing over were former Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller, who Samuels says served as a mentor for him.